Are you a student looking to make $10,000 while still studying? It might sound impossible, but here's how you can do it in 3 steps. Step 1. Leverage your skills and knowledge. Freelance on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Step 2. Consistent effort is key. Set aside time each day to work on your side hustle. Step 3. Stay motivated and keep your goals in sight. Boom. Financial freedom is within reach. Need extra cash for tuition or travel? Start today. Use code EARN10K to unlock exclusive tips. Or keep dreaming, your choice. Ever thought about using your skills to earn extra cash? Here's how you can do it in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Use your expertise to tutor online. Websites like Chegg Tutors and Wyzant are great places to start. Step 2. Create online courses on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. Share your knowledge and get paid for it. Step 3. Find a side hustle that fits your schedule. Remote jobs offer flexibility and can be a great source of income. So why wait? Start today and turn your skills into cash. Looking for ways to earn on campus? I've got you covered. Campus opportunities like work study, library assistant, or tech support roles pay well and fit your schedule. Got a bike, car, or scooter? Try delivery or rideshare for quick cash. Just remember, track your hours and income to ensure it's worth it. And don't forget the internet. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn by promoting products you love. So, which opportunity are you exploring first? Let's talk about turning your passion into profit. YouTube or podcasting. Create content around what you love. Once you grow an audience, monetize through ads, sponsorships, or merchandise. Sell digital products. Design printables, templates, or ebooks. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website are perfect for this. Why this works? Internet-based income streams can scale well. Many have passive income potential. Earn money even while you sleep. Save and invest. Smartly. It's not just about earning. Budget wisely. Track expenses and cut unnecessary costs. Even small savings add up over time. I'm about to put you onto 3 money moves that will change your financial game. Move number 1. Start investing with apps like Robinhood or Acorns for simple, low-risk options. Let your money work for you. Move number 2. High-interest savings accounts. Your emergency fund? Earning while it waits. Move number 3. Sell your stuff online. Turn old gadgets and clothes into cash. Which move are you trying first? Or did I just make you rethink your savings strategy? Be honest. Look around. Do you have textbooks, gadgets, or clothes you no longer use? Sell them online on platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or local classified ads. Flipping. Buy items cheaply from garage sales or thrift stores and resell them online at a profit. Popular items include vintage clothes, electronics, or collectibles. Create handmade products. If you're crafty, sell handmade jewelry, art, or accessories online or at local markets. Why this works? Selling and flipping requires some initial effort, but can generate quick cash without much investment.